blue color, white color, green color, red color, yellow color, black color. Kids now coloring ABC 1 to 3 and 2D shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids now B. B for ball, B for bat, and use white color. The alphabets of B. It's neither C. C for cat, C for car, and use green color. The alphabets of C. It's neither D. D for dog, D for doll, and use red color. The alphabets of D. It's neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use yellow color. Yellow color. It's neither numbers, and first letter 1. The numbers of 1, and use blue color. O N E 1. It's neither 2. The numbers of 2, and use white color. T W 2. It's neither 3. The numbers of 3, and use green color. T H R W 3. It's neither 4. The numbers of 4, and use red color. F O U R 4. It's neither 5. The numbers of 5, and use yellow color. F I V E 5. It's neither shapes, and first letter is square. The shape of is square, and use blue color. Blue color. It's neither circle. The shape of circle, and use white color. White color. It's neither triangle. The shape of triangle, and use green color. Green color. It's neither heart. The shape of heart, and use red color. Red color. Its last letter Easter. The shape of Easter, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Blue color. Yellow color. Red color. Black color. Green color, white color. It's now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. It's first draw A, and use blue color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids again use blue color and draw C. C for cat, C for car, D. D for dog, D for doll, E. E for egg. E for elephant. It's neither F. F for fish. F for fan. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for goat. G for grapes. Kids again use yellow color and draw H. H for hand. H for helicopter. It's neither I. I for ice. I for ice cream. It's neither J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. And use red color. Red color. K. K for kite. K for king. L. L for lion. L for lemon. Kids again use red color and draw M. M for moon. M for mango. N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids neither O. O for orange. O for octopus. And use black color. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. It's neither R. R for rose. R for rice. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw S. S for sun. S for snake. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. V. V for van. V for vanilla. Kids again use green color and draw W. W for wallet. W for watch. Kids neither X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. And use white color. Kids again use white color and draw Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers and first state of 1. And use blue color. O. N. E. 1. 2. T. W. 2. 3. T. H. R. W. 3. 4. F. O. U. R. 4. 5. F. I. V. E. 5. It's neither 6. The numbers of 6. And use yellow color. Yellow color. 7. S. E. V. E. and 7. It's again use yellow color and draw 8. E. I. G. H. T. 8. 9. N. I. N. E. 9. 10. T. E. and 10. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Black color. White color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use red color. O. N. E. 1. 2. T. W. 2. 3. T. H. R. W. 3. 4. F. O. U. R. 4. Kids again use red color and draw 5. F. I. V. E. 5. It's neither 6 and use yellow color. The numbers of 6. S. I. X. 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8, E-I-G-H-T-H, 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10, T-E-N, 10. Kids now draw 11, and use blue color the numbers of 11, 12, the numbers of 12. Kids again use blue color and draw 13, the numbers of 13, 14, the numbers of 14. Kids again use blue color and draw 15, the numbers of 15. Kids now to 16, the numbers of 16, and use green color. 17, the numbers of 17. Kids again use green color and draw 18, the numbers of 18. 19, the numbers of 19. Kids again use green color and last to 20, the numbers of 20. Red color, white color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color. Kids, today learn big alphabets and small alphabets. Kids, first coloring big alphabets, and first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Kids, now coloring small alphabets. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Kids, now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use white color. Big alphabets. Kids again use white color and draw C. B. B for ball, B for bat. Small alphabets. Kids now to C. C for cat, C for car, and use blue color. Big alphabets. C. C for cat, C for car. Small alphabets. Kids now to D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color. Big alphabets. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Small alphabets. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use black color. Big alphabets. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Small alphabets. It's neither F. F for fish, F for fan, and here is green color. Big alphabets. Kids again use green color and draw. F. F for fish. F for fan. Small alphabets. Kids now do G. G for goat. G for grapes. And here is red color. Big alphabets. Kids again use red color and draw. G. G for goat. G for grapes. Small alphabets. Kids now to H. H for hand. H for helicopter. And here is white color. Big alphabets of H. Kids again use white color and draw. H. H for hand. H for helicopter. Small alphabets of H. Kids night I. I for ice. I for ice cream. And use blue color. Big alphabets of I. I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Small alphabets of I. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.